Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Cloud of Champion. In this video, we are covering top 5 PowerShell coding tools. So let's get started. So you can see I have listed down 5 PowerShell coding tools. So first one is Visual Studio Code, which is a free and open source tool. So basically, Visual Studio is and it provides uh, it provides many features to the developers like rich set of extensions then which includes PowerShell extensions. It enhances the development experience with IntelliSense, then code snippets, seamless debugging. Then additionally, it is also a cross-platform, so you can use it. You can code it on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and basically it's a versatile tool for PowerShell scripting. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced scripter, VS Code provides a robust and customizable environment to optimize your PowerShell development experience. So I already have installed Visual Studio in my machine, so you can see Visual Studio Code. So to work with this, you basically have to create a folder in your desktop. I have created already new folder like testing, and once you do this, you have to click this one to create a new file. Write poc.ps1. It will automatically detect like it's a PowerShell script. So you can see the logo here. So this means you are writing a PowerShell commands here and so basically this is a Visual Studio Code interface. You can customize the interface of this like this one, this like this. So basically if you want to install extensions you have to go here. You will see a lot of extensions are present. I have installed a lot of extensions. Search for PowerShell. Yeah, so if you see there is a Microsoft extension which is a PowerShell. I have already installed it. What it will do, it will what all the modules, PowerShell modules will get installed into the Visual Studio Code, and it will help you to write down code much faster. There are many tools like Azure PowerShell, then PowerShell theme, PowerShell snippets. It will help you to get block of code. Then yeah, so this much in Visual Studio Code, and like suppose I have any PowerShell script. So I have taken an example from GitHub. I have taken a PowerShell script. Let's suppose I want to run this PowerShell script. So I have pasted here. What you can do, you can click run without debugging. So see, you have like the PowerShell script is executed. So you can write your script here, and if you want any, if you have any command like get process, you can write ad hoc commands as well. So this also gives you a terminal. You can do navigations like cd dot cd, then again testing. All the commands which PowerShell supports, you can use it. If you want to install Azure modules, you can that also you can install. So this is for Visual Studio. Then the second one comes PowerShell ISE. So this is also a free tool. So basically this one is a Windows it comes by default in Windows. So it's a versatile and user-friendly tool designed specially for Windows PowerShell script. And so it gives features like syntax highlighting, tab completion, and built-in debugger. So let me just open it for you. So you have to click start, type PowerShell. You will see Windows PowerShell IC. Just click run as administrator. Click yes. So this is the overall interface of the PowerShell IC. You can maximize this. Here you will see list of modules installed here. So these are all modules. You can search your modules if your modules are installed or not. If I have Azure, then you can see Azure modules are present. Then you can customize the interface like this. So this is the pane. Like here you can write your script. Here you will see the output, and these are the modules. So if you want to create a new file, you just have to like write your code. Let's suppose I have the same code. I will run here. So first you have to save it. Say I will save it on my desktop. Testing, save. Once I saved it, there is two button. If you can see this green color button, this one is to run the script, and this one is to run a selection of to run a specific line of script. Let's see if let's suppose if I want to run the entire script without without running a single command without. So you can click on this. You can see my script is executed. I have got the output. I have used 109 of space, and the free GB is 127. So let's suppose you don't want to run the entire script, you just want to run a specific line of script. So let's suppose I only want to run only this command. So just select it and then click run selection. You will see only this command is executed, not the entire script. So this is much better than Visual Studio. It gives a flexibility to run only specific line of code. So this one is completed, and you can do a new file, create new file, open new file, save. Then those things you have Windows shortcuts as well. You can customize as per your you know need. And then so basically most of the PowerShell coders use PowerShell ISE only if they have Windows. If they have any other operating system like Linux or Mac, they can use Visual Studio Code. And the other one is Notepad, which is a free tool. This doesn't give much features, but it is very very simple, very easy to install, and very easy to write. It's syntax free code. So you can basically write your scripts here, then just save it. You can run it into your Visual Studio or any PowerShell IC. So in this PowerShell IC, I forgot to show you, like, you can also run ad hoc commands as well. Like, it's not like that you only have to run script of commands. Suppose get process. So those kind of things. So Notepad plus plus I have shown you. I will give you the links to download these softwares in the description. Then there comes the Sapien, another tool, Sapien PowerShell Studio, which is a paid version. So I don't think I will not recommend this one. It's a paid version, and basically what you will get in this paid version, we will all are free in this about tools. So it's a GUI tool. It is similar as a Visual Studio Code. It gives much flexibility, but if you compare with Visual Studio and PowerShell IC, those tools are much better than this. So don't go with this tool. These two tool, I'll say this last one is PowerShell Plus, which is not widely used. So don't look at this. If you are comfortable with these three tools, that's enough. So yeah, that's pretty much in today's video. We will thank you for watching my video, and do let me know if you have any questions or on what topic should I make my next video. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in next video.